Hey there, folks! Today we're talking about something called a Permanent Diagnostic Trouble Code, or PDTC. Now you might already know about regular Diagnostic Trouble Codes, or DTCs. Those are like little warning lights in your car's computer. They tell you something might be wrong. PDTCs are like DTCs, but tougher. They mean the problem is serious and keeps happening. Your car's computer remembers these codes even after you turn the car off and on again. These codes are all about keeping the air clean. They tell us if your car is polluting too much, so if you see a PDTC, don't ignore it. Get it checked out. PDTCs are a big part of smog checks now. See, before PDTCs, some folks would just erase their car's trouble codes before a smog check. That's like hiding the evidence. Not cool, man. With PDCs, the smog check computer can see if there have been problems, even if the warning light isn't on right now. It's like having a permanent record of your car's emissions. So if you've got a PDTC, you'll need to get it fixed before you can pass your smog check. So you're probably thinking, can't I just disconnect the battery or use a code reader to erase the PDTC? Nope, not gonna work. Remember, these codes are permanent. They're stored in your car's computer. Disconnecting the battery won't erase them, and neither will a scan tool. Think of it like this. A PDTC is like a tattoo on your car's computer. It's there to stay. The only way to get rid of it is to fix the problem that caused it. So don't waste your time and subscribe for more useful information, DIYs, tools, and project ideas.